You're given two strings. The first contains the original sentence with words in the right order but no spaces. The second has the words in random order but with spaces to differentiate them. Fix the original sentence by adding spaces where there should be. Every test has at least one solution, but there are some cases where the original sentence cannot unambiguously be deciphered. In those cases, print unsolvable. MB. Test 1 to 8 covers simple cases and should help you debug your program. Test 9 to 10 checks the performance. So 1 to 8, so this one, 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 this one. So those 8, those cover the simple cases, and 9 and 10, they check the performance. I'm going to use PHP for this puzzle, and the first line is a string, the original sentence with words in the right order but no spaces, and the second line is a string containing words in random order but with spaces to differentiate them. Right, so the output is the original sentence with the necessary spaces to add it to it, or the string unsolvable. So for constraints, the original string only contains uppercase letters. The word string only contains uppercase letters and spaces. Each word in words appears the same number of times in words and in original. Each string is at most 1000 characters long. The number of words is at most 200. So this is the example for input and output, and let's solve it. Right, so for this code, the program defines a function called solve, which takes three parameters: a string representing the sentence to be deciphered, an array of possible words, and an array to store the current solution being tested. The function uses recursion to try out all possible combinations of words until it finds a solution that works. It stores all successful solutions in a global array called solutions. The main part of the program reads the input, populates the words array with the list of possible words, and then it calls the solve function to find all solutions. If there's only one solution, it prints that solution. If there are multiple solutions, it prints unsolvable. And that's how I solved the puzzle.